Hello everyone, this is Rahul from OPUS. Here we are going to draw a running Hulk. So that is, here you need to understand how dynamic figure works and also an understanding of comic characters. So first we will draw with a basic line of action, okay, and then we will just give indication of the figure with very basic and simple shapes. All right, suppose like this, and suppose in this way we are going to which roughly indicates how the figure is going to look like. All right, after that you can start giving certain amount of volume to the entire figure as where necessary. So see, I am slowly building it up, but remember, everything you need to keep it very loose at this time, at this stage. Otherwise you might feel like you have you might have missed something, or something is not looking right because of the proportions and that can be various other problems. Mainly it is related to proportions and the likability. So it is very important that you keep the things which looks very simple, neat and clean at this stage. All right, so after that you can start building upon the basic structure of the figure, and then slowly you can go for the anatomical details. Okay, so after I have this one, then I can give a rough indication of the structure of the face and how it is going to look, or so here you have to be extra cautious that the face also looks according to the superhero. So we will come back to this a little later. Let's do with the other portions like the hands and other things. So suppose I am giving the muscular details of the figure. So here you see I am slowly building the hand, but everything is like done at a very volumetric space. Okay, so this kind of drawings, little you will require a good amount of understanding of how the muscles work when somebody takes a different posture. Like a various what we say, various dynamic angles. Let's make the face a little bit downwards. Okay, so that gives like he is actually rushing in. Okay, here in this like whenever comic book characters are drawn in a certain uh, like in a dynamic motion, you have to exaggerate their mannerism, otherwise it will look very ordinary. And that's why, because they are superheroes. Okay, so you need to draw a little bit extraordinary, and that will do justice to that uh, the personality of those characters. All right, so as you see, we are slowly moving in towards the likability of that character. Now we'll build the toes. So that is how their toes are, very wide. And then the other leg. All right, so after this we need to give the details of the face. So as of Hulk, we know his characteristic is like he has stretched eyes and wide nose, very small nose. Okay, we can make it much more smaller. And very broad jaws. So the face has to be depicted very accurately to get that likability of the character. So after we have got that, we can slowly bring about the likability of the face. So you see, we drawing accordingly. You can give certain wrinkles. Okay. And a kind of jagged. So that gives that look of that superhero. And then there is this hairs which looks scattered because of that forceful run. Okay, so after that, after you achieved this much, you can give indication of this other anatomical details. Okay, so wherever possible, try to bring that volume of those muscles. Wherever you have to understand where you should put the shades, so that the drawing looks much more dynamic. So here you see we are slowly bringing out the figure. Which gives that ferociousness of this posture which we are trying to achieve. So that also is crucial for you to have that belief that you can achieve that look and feel of the character. So now we will move to the legs. We can make the legs look a little bit muscular. Like this. This way we have finally achieved the figure and its look, and also the action that we were aiming for. Okay, so after that we can give a slight indication of the ground. Okay, this way, and like the impact of his stave cracking the ground, or it is breaking. So this is how you create that feel of a certain action or a certain movement through drawing. And that is the most important thing when you are given a subject. So you see, we have to some extent achieved the result we wanted, and that is how you need to practice. So we will give a little bit of strength at some places. It only make the figure looks much more stronger, and then we will just give some rough indication of the veins. Remember, drawing Hulk is not very difficult, I would say, but it has lots of details that you need to keep in mind before drawing it, and that will help you achieve the desired result. And given the time constraint, it is also important that you achieve the desired result within a given time. You cannot take all day to make this. So this is about the impact. So I hope you understood how to draw a Hulk, running Hulk. Keep practicing like this. Thank you.